Today we are going to learn another problem from per phase per unit system. So before solving the problem, we have to learn two things. The first thing is how the MVA value is specified, and the second thing is whether they are giving the voltage value in three phase form or single phase form. We are going to see. Okay. So first trick is they will give single phase MVA. You have to convert it into three-phase MVA. How to convert? If you want to calculate three-phase MVA three-phase, just from single phase, just you multiply with 3 into MVA single phase. So if the single phase MVA is given, if you just multiply with 3, you can get the three-phase MVA. Okay. So this is the first concept because when they are giving the data, they will confuse you by giving the single phase values. Okay. Next, if the single phase kilo voltage is given, if they give the single phase voltage, you have to convert it into three phase voltage. How will you convert three phase voltage from single phase voltage? How will you convert? It is very simple. So if you want to add three phase voltage, root 3 multiplied by voltage single phase, right? Say for example, if they give 12 single phase voltage is 11 kV, if you multiply with root 3, you will get the three phase voltage. Okay? Now the concept is, if the single phase MVA is given, just by multiplying with the 3, you can get three phase MVA. If they give single phase voltage, just by multiplying with root 3, you can get the three phase voltage. One more thing you have to understand, the single phase voltage is possible only at star side. It is not possible in delta side. Okay? Delta side we are unable to get the single phase connection. Only from star connection we can get single phase voltage. Okay? So this is the first concept. This is the second concept. With these two concepts we are going to solve your next problem. We come to this problem. This is a problem. What we are supposed to do is draw the reactance diagram with the base MVA of 50, 11 kV on generator 1. So they told us to select the base MVA as 50. So I can write here base MVA is 50. And where from I have to start? Can anyone tell me? They specified on generator 1. So from generator 1 I have to start. Right? So now what we are going to do is we are going to write the old values. Right? What are the old values given in the problem that we are going to write? So for generator, what are the old values? Base MVA old is, or I can write in short, MVA base old equal to 20, kV base old equal to 11. For transformer 1, it is 13.8 bar 220. Since they are given 220 into 13.8, you should not directly take as 220 on left hand side and 13.8 on right hand side, because generator is connected at the primary winding. So generator has the lower value of 13.8 kV. So 13.8 kV should be written left hand side, that is generator side. 220 kV should be written on the transmission line side. Okay. MVA base old equal to 25. Right? Next for transformer, this is transformer 1, this is transformer 2, and this is transformer 3. Okay. Next for transformer 3, we will come to transformer 2 later. Now you write transformer 3. Transformer 3, 20 bar 220. So 220 bar 20 MVA base volt equal to 15, Z per unit volt equal to 0.25, and here Z per unit volt equal to 0.15, Z per unit volt is equal to, for transformer 3 it is 0.15. Okay. Next come to generator 2. We have written for transformer 3. Next for generator 3 it is MVA base volt equal to 30, kV base volt equal to 20, Z per unit volt equal to, for generator 3 it is 0.21. Okay. Now for transformer 2 it is, this is the place where you have to calculate. This is what I told. 3 single phase unit each rated. So they are clearly specified that the values given are corresponding to single phase. So you have to convert it into 3 phase. All the given values for generator 1, generator 2, generator 3, transformer 1 and transformer 3, all the values are corresponding to 3 phase. Only transformer 2 values are single phase. We need to convert it into 3 phase. How to convert? This is a single phase MVA. So 3 into 10 will give you 30 MVA. Okay. So MVA is over. Next, 127/18. It is also single phase. Now you tell me whether 127 is single phase voltage or 18 is a single phase voltage. How can we understand? How to find 127 is single phase or 18 is single phase? You can see the type of connection, star, delta, where single phase connection is not at all possible. In delta it is not possible. So only at star it is possible. So star is 127. So you have to convert this voltage into 3 phase voltage. How to convert? 3 into 127 you have to get. You have to calculate. If you calculate, it will be coming around 220 kV. Okay? Are you able to understand? It is coming around 220 kV. Right? So here you can write 220/18. This is 3 phase only. This is only single phase. So I converted it into 3 phase. 220/18 you can write MVA base volt for your transformer 2 is 30. It is given here. Z per unit volt is how much? It is 0.15. You may ask, sir, x double dash equal to 0.15 is specified. Shall we convert it into 3 phase? No. For reactance, it is per phase reactance only. You need not to convert. Only for MVA and kV you have to convert. Okay? So clear. Now we have written all the volt values for generator 1, transformer 1, transformer 3, generator transformer 2 and generator 2 we have written. Where is generator 2? Here we have written. MVA base volt equal to 30, kV base volt equal to 18, Z per unit volt equal to 0.25. Now to write the new values, I am just erasing the transformer data. Okay? Right? To write the new values on the top of the diagram. Where we have to start in this problem? Generator 1. What is the voltage we have to take? 11. So I am writing 11 here. If 11 kV is generated by this generator 1, what is the voltage available here? It is also 11. And what may be the secondary voltage? I have to see. If I give 13.8, it will give 220. So if I give 11, what is the value of voltage I will get? I have to calculate. Okay. So the same voltage will be available at this point. The opposite side you will get the voltage with respect to this. And if you get the voltage here also you can calculate the value.